Welcome back to my channel. I'm Shannon, your English teacher. Today, we are going to learn and practice these phrasal verbs. Look after. Look after means to care for something. For example, can you look after my cats while I'm away? Can you care for my cats? Can you give them food, water, and love? Look after. Or can you look after my plant while I'm away? Make sure to give it sun and water. I will leave a PDF worksheet in the description so you can download it and practice these later. Cut in. Cut in? This means to interrupt. For example, everyone was angry because he cut in the line. He went to the front of the line in front of everyone who was waiting. He cut in the line. Very bad. Don't do that. You can also cut in a conversation. Interrupt the conversation. This one has two versions. Drop in or drop by. Drop is literally drop something, but this context is to come without an appointment. For example, I might drop in for some tea this week. I might go to your house for tea, but I won't tell you when. I won't make an appointment. I will drop in. You can say, I might drop in for tea sometime this week, or I might drop by for tea sometime this week. Same. End up. End up is eventually do something or eventually decide to do something. For example, we ended up going to the movies last weekend. So after thinking, what should we do? Let's go to the movies. After all our thinking, we ended up going to the movies. Grow apart. Grow apart. This means to stop being friends over time or not be close anymore. Like maybe your best friend or your husband or your wife or your boyfriend, day after day, you slowly drift and you change and you're not close anymore. For example, my best friend and I grew apart after high school. This isn't quick grow apart, it's with time, day after day. Eventually, we grew apart. Hold on. Hold on, literally, I'm holding on to this. However, there's another meaning. Hold on can mean wait. Please hold on. Please wait. Calm down and wait. Please hold on. Look forward to. This means to be excited about something in the future. For example, I'm looking forward to my vacation this November. In November, I will travel to Korea. So I'm excited. I'm waiting. Oh, my vacation, November. Please, November, come quicker. I'm looking forward to my vacation this November. Okay, don't forget the PDF is in the description and follow me to learn more English.